lead to any recalibration from your end as well, Mr. Chauhan? You finally secured the SEBI NOC for a listing. Will today's tax changes, which have seen that kind of reaction that they have with brokerage and exchange stocks, forced you to perhaps recalibrate your valuation or timing of the IPO roadmap?
Broadly speaking, ours is a more than a listed company today. We have 191,000 shareholders already. We give all the sort of details, all the quarterly results and any material event that happens as if we were a listed company. And that's a regulation also. So broadly, it's basically a way to just formally recognize that listing framework and give more liquidity to existing shareholders as well as new shareholders who want to come in. It's more a procedural activity and nothing to do with pricing or other things. Whatever the price available at any point in time, when we come with our IPO, it will take probably 7-8 months from now. So whatever the pricing that the merchant banker suggests, our board should be able to accept, and it will be like a 4.5% of the total equity, which will be taken from the existing shareholders and given to new shareholders. So at NSE, we are not raising any new funds. It will be a pure play OFS. And whatever the pricing, which is based on the market conditions and, of course, our future profitability, that will have to be considered before actually finalizing the pricing.
Ashish, good afternoon. Sajid here. Do you think that the finance minister is also pushing the investor to invest more into the cash market rather than speculate in the F&O market? And from an FI point of view, do you think this STT will dissuade them into more algo trades which are going into F&O?
Broadly speaking, Sajid, been good to see you. In some ways, the FIIs don't trade every second. They are not the high-frequency players. There are specialized high-frequency players, but what we know as FPIs are usually not the ones who once they buy, they stay in for stock for at least a year or 5 years. And that's why they don't see this STT on options or futures as something very important. What they look for is actually the companies and economies' ability to sustain the growth and also increase their profits. And that's why I don't see the foreign portfolio investors getting rattled because of some minor STT changes in the derivative side. Naturally, the HFT players, which are largely Indian setup, although they might be foreign owned, they will have to recalibrate their the algorithms to look into whether they will be making profits at the new levels on the old algorithms, or they'll have to develop newer algorithms, test them and all. So it may take 2-3 months to kind of update those algorithms. And again, more and more people are coming into the markets, in Indian markets specifically. Now we have NSE alone supports close to 12.5 crore direct accounts, unique direct accounts using PAN. And so we have very large number of people even now coming in every month, and of course through mutual funds or otherwise. So overall, I don't see any kind of going down in liquidity or in derivatives or otherwise.